People, nobody is talking about this. Fascinators just had a 1,865% sage spike on Pinterest. Brides all over the world are dishing the traditional veil and running straight to the fascinator, and here I am for it. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will completely understand why this is the biggest bridal headwear shift in a decade. Yeah, this is the Model TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your favorite person online, and this is your go-to space for headwear, fashion, and bridal accessories. If you are new here, hit that subscription button because we go deep on things most fashion channels barely scratch the surface of. So today we are talking fascinators, their history, their revival, why brides are going crazy for them, and how to wear one without it looking like you raided your grandmother's antique. Let's start at the beginning. The fascinators has been around since the 18th centuries. It was a lighter alternative to the full hat designed to sit on top of the head rather than cover it. For decades, it was associated with formal British occasion. Think royal ascot, think church Sundays and royal weddings, but then something happened. The fashion world decided hats were too much and fascinators got pushed to the background until now, like now. So why now? Three words: the alt-bride movement. Modern brides are rejecting the one-size-fits-all approach to wedding. They want personality. They want drama. They want a headpiece that says something about who they are, not just what tradition expects. Yeah, Pinterest 2026 wedding trend report confirms it. Couples are doubling down on individuality across every wedding category, and headwear is leading the charge. Fascinators, Gillette cap veils, pale headdresses, they are all searching, but the fascinator, she's the breakout star. Yes, you heard me well. Fascinator is the breakout star. Modern style. Now, let me show you what modern bridal fascinators actually look like because they have evolved. We are no longer talking about a sad little bow clipped to the side of your head. We are talking sculptural silito, feather forward drama. Yes, feather forward drama. All right, in the next slide, I want you to take a look at the wedding fascinator that I and my church girls made in our last training section. And this was their first ever fascinator class. Yes, these are beginners who have not had any idea of fascinator making before. And we just tried this wedding headpiece and it was gorgeous. Take a look and leave a comment for us in the comment section. And in 2026, making a statement at your own wedding is not optional, it's expected. So whether you are a bride, a wedding guest, or just a headwear enthusiast like me, or designer like me, let's bring the fascinator back with the respect it deserves. So drop a crown in the comments, a picture of your fascinator, what you love most, your fantasy. Yeah, you are team fascinator. If you are team fascinator, let me know. So see you in my next video. Love, like, and share this.